Whether you're setting up a new home, refreshing a tired space, or just on the hunt for clever solutions, IKEA is packed with smart, stylish products that balance form and function. From timeless furniture to handy everyday tools, here's a closer look at some standout items that can enhance comfort, organization, and design in every corner of your home. 1. Tonstad Sideboard, off-white, a timeless addition to any room. The Tonstad Sideboard offers a blend of function and elegance with soft close drawers and adjustable shelving. The off-white finish adds a calm, clean look, while keeping your essentials organized and out of sight. 2. Stavrybe Doormat, handmade, hot or natural made from coconut fiber waste. The Stavrybe Doormat is durable and eco-friendly. Its chunky hand-woven texture offers rustic charm while standing up to heavy foot traffic. Each one is unique, crafted in ethical weaving centers in India. 3. Trophest Storage combination with boxes, light white stained pine dark gray. The Trophest system is a smart storage solution for kids and teens alike. Sturdy, modular, and stylish, it features mesh bins and adjustable grooves so you can rearrange as your needs change. Also, doubles as extra seating. 4. Policky clip-on multi-purpose rack. Turn unused shelf space into smart storage with the PÅLYCKE clip-on rack. It holds wine glasses or paper towels securely, no drilling required, and is perfect for small kitchens or open shelving setups. 5. Venplats Rug, low pile, white black dotted, a playful dotted design by Swedish designer Ingela Håkansson Lam. The Venplats rug adds a fun, modern twist to any room. It's soft underfoot, low pile, and full of personality. 6. ClipOn folding hook, aluminum hack beige. The KLYKET folding hook is compact, smart, and stylish. Its wavy design holds multiple hangers or even folding chairs, then folds away when not needed. Ideal for small entryways or bathrooms. 7. Backlag ceiling fan with light, white design for smaller rooms. The BACKLAG fan combines cooling comfort with ambient LED lighting. 3 speeds, reversible airflow, and angled mount capability make it a practical year-round solution. 8. AKTERTOFTER LED ceiling fan with light, dimmable black wood effect silver, with 5 large blades and dimmable LED lighting. The AKTERTOFTER fan is perfect for large spaces. Its remote control makes adjusting speeds, light tone, and airflow direction effortless. 9. VÅRDTRÄD self-watering plant pot, transparent anthracite. Never forget to water again with the VårdTräD pot. Its built-in water reservoir keeps plants happy for days. The frosted base shows the water level at a glance, and it works indoors or out. Balangen toilet roll holder. Chrome-plated, a refined touch for any bathroom. The Balangen toilet roll holder features a sleek chrome finish, hidden screws, and a magnetic arm that makes changing rolls a breeze. Versasong cable management tray. White declutter your workspace with the Versasong cable tray. Clamp it to your desk, no drilling required, and gather cords, chargers, or even small tools to keep your area clean and efficient. TOGA LED spotlight and clamp, battery operated. Black. The TOGA spotlight is a versatile light source for indoors or out. Clamp or magnetize it wherever you need it. Adjust the beam and recharge it easily via USB-C. Olderdalen Nightstand, Gray-Green Pine. The Olderdalen Nightstand blends Scandinavian tradition with modern practicality. Its warm wood tones, smart cable outlet, and layered storage suit high beds and thoughtful spaces. 14. Salventon table lamp, battery-operated, candle-shaped. The Salventon lamp brings cozy charm without the hassle of cords. Its sleek candle-like form and soft light make it perfect for outdoor dinners or quiet indoor corners. 15. Raso children's picnic table, light brown stained. Let the little ones enjoy their own outdoor space with the Raso picnic table. Made for ages 3 to 7, it's pre-treated to handle weather and perfect for playtime, snacks, or crafts. 16. Scrubby Cabinet with doors, black-blue stylish and practical. The Scrubby Cabinet features grooved doors, adjustable shelving, and a warm oak look top. Its classic design pairs well with other pieces or stands beautifully on its own. 17. Brimness headboard with storage compartment. White saves space and skip the nightstands with the Brimness headboard. Behind its clean design hides smart storage for books, chargers, and cables. Great for compact bedrooms. 18. Scarenda knife sharpener. Keep your kitchen blades in top shape with the Scarenda sharpener. Its 3 sharpening stages, coarse to fine, make it a reliable tool for all types of steel knives. From stylish storage to smart gadgets and comfy additions, these IKEA picks show just how much impact thoughtful design can have. Whether you're tackling one room or the whole house, these pieces can help you create a space that's functional, welcoming, and truly your own.